This is Koert Breebaart on what is customer experience. Companies have customers, and customers, they interact. The result of that interaction, or the sum of all the interactions that they have, that is what we call customer experience. I abbreviate that to CE. Now, customer experience is influenced by the interactions, as I said. So what are the different kind of interactions that companies have with their customers? Every customer that want to buy something, they will go through a discover phase. They discover the products and the services of a company. Then, once they've decided which service suits best their needs, they will buy the product. Once they've bought it, the company will then activate the product so that the customer can use it. And once they start using it, they have to pay. So they pay the bill. And after they pay the bill, or in the life cycle of the customer may encounter some issues or problems with the product. So the customer has to resolve issues, either going through a customer care center or hotline. And the end of the life cycle is where they recontract. And the opposite of recontracting would be churn. So you lose your customer if they have not been satisfied in this customer life cycle. Now, how do you influence the experience in each of these interactions? There are basically three layers, or three things that you have to keep in mind when you want to improve your customer experience. Let's take the example of Resolve, or of a hotline. First of all, it's performance. So it could be, how long do people wait before they speak to somebody in your call center? That can be 3 minutes, 4 minutes, a few seconds in other countries, but it's really defined by the quality of your people, how fast they can handle calls, and therefore handle large volumes of calls. It's dependent on the technology that you're using and the processes that you're using. But performance on its own is not the only thing that drives customer experience. It's also the perception. The perception from a customer on your performance. Your customers may wait on average 3 minutes in your customer care environment. However, they may perceive that as being 10 minutes because they're aggravated or unhappy that they have to call in the first place. The third thing that you need to manage to create customer experience is really the expectations. If you know as a customer that you will wait 3 to 5 minutes and your actual wait is 3 minutes, your perception, you influence your perception and therefore the overall experience. So think about the communications that you use, what language you use in your marketing and in your sales channels to set the right expectations of your customers. That's it on what is customer experience.